Hey, Nicki here of Life I Design. I'm just working at my desk on a few things that I'm creating that are new, and I thought I would set up my camera as I'm tidying up and chat with you a little bit about pricing your art. I have something really special that I've been working on most of this year actually, and it's something that I've been drawn towards for the last few years. And it really has to do with empowering you as an artist to start selling your art, making money from your art, being comfortable with that, and essentially starting your own art business. Over the last 12 years, I have learned so much. I've been able to experience so much in my own personal art creative business that I have a lot that I want to share. And over the last few years especially, I have been able to mentor and coach women who are just starting their creative business, whether it's selling their art, starting a course, setting up their Etsy shop. And I've realized that there's so many shortcuts that I've developed along the way with all of the 12 plus years of experience that I have in this creative and entrepreneurial journey that I've been on. So as I am starting to tidy my desk, because I have been in work mode over the last few weeks, slowly wrapping up my summer sabbatical, sadly. But I'm excited for everything that I've been able to start to put together. I have developed a new PDF. So it's free. It's a PDF ebook that is going to help you get started with pricing your art, especially if you're at the point where you're feeling like you might want to share your art and maybe start making some money, whether it's just to even buy some more art supplies so you can continue to make art. Maybe it's to add a little bit to your family budget as you know, things are getting really expensive these days and it's nice to have some extra money. Or maybe you want to do what I did and radically shake up your life and completely change careers and dedicate yourself to making a full-time income from your art. Whatever stage you're at, just know that I am here to support you, to cheer you on, to let you know that anything is possible. Again, whether you are just looking to sell a bit of art, to buy some extra art supplies, or really want to make an impact for your own personal revenue, your family, whatever your goal is, the best way to get started is to start selling your art. And sometimes deciding how to price your art to make sure that you're getting the right value for your art and the experience level that you're at can take a bit of time in figuring out. So what I've been busy doing is putting together some resources for you and to give you a little bit of guidance. There are two ways that I calculate how I'm going to price my art. And there's a lot of variations and there's a lot of things that can make you change sort of the idea of your pricing and how you should price art. So like this piece over here, this is an original piece that I did. It's a mixed media. Because it's on canvas, it'll be a little bit more expensive. If I look at this piece over here on my wall, this is an original piece still, but it's on paper. So if the consumer's perceived value just instinctively or naturally means that pieces on paper aren't as highly priced or maybe not highly valued as pieces on canvas, then you'll adjust accordingly. Again, there are variables such as original pieces. So if you look over here, I have my little original. Isn't this amazing? So this is my original piece that is now in an art print form. So your art prints will be at a different price point than your original pieces. So what I've been able to do is put together, in a really, I think, easy way to summarize, two different ways that I price my art and broke them down into formulas so that you can use them to price your art as well. And hoping that that gives you the encouragement to start to sell your art, because there's nothing more empowering than being able to make a bit of money from your art. And especially when people start to connect with your art and have that emotional connection that you hope people get when you are creating art, it really, again, is just a thrilling moment and it opens up so many possibilities. So as I continue to clean up my desk and get myself prepared to make some art, I want to really leave you with one thing, and that is if you are feeling called to start sharing your art more publicly now, maybe making art isn't something that you do that is only in your own space, like I am here in my studio. Maybe you're starting to show your art and wanting to share it with friends and family. And I suggest you go ahead and download my free book. So it's not long, it's about 11 pages, and it's going to take you through how you can research, what you can look for in terms of your research, and how to develop your own pricing strategy so that you can start making some money from your art and really enjoying that reciprocal energy of creating the art, being able to sell it and have it live in someone else's home, and then being able to make fresh art. So that flow and that reciprocal energy is something that I think is super exciting, especially as a new artist. Even myself as a seasoned artist, it makes me, happy to be able to have someone connect to a piece of art that I created, that I brought into this world, and for them to proudly hang it in their home or in their space. So, how to price your art. Part of something that is coming soon, if it isn't out already by the time you're watching this video. If you have any questions or comments around starting an art business or what that even looks like, then go ahead and send me an email at Nicki@LifeIDesign. Make sure you get your free copy of How to Price Your Art, available on Life I Design. Share the link here below. Make sure you subscribe so that you get notified of all of the new things that are coming out. And good luck and have fun, and know that this is just the start of your journey. Until next time.